Hello students, now the exercise of chapter 4 our constitution. Before start the exercise, you have to paste a picture of our parliament house. अब हमारे संसद भवन की picture paste करेंगे. On the top you have to write down the lesson number, then write down the lesson title and date. After this you have to write down, you have to paste a picture of अवर पार्लियामेंट हाउस. हमारे पार्लियामेंट हाउस की संसद भवन की एक पिक्चर पेस्ट करेंगे. देन राइट डाउन द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड मीनिंग. मैक्सिमम 15, उससे कम हो जाए पर मैक्सिमम 15, उससे ज्यादा ना हो. नाउ एक्सरसाइज. चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली वॉज फॉर्म्ड ऑन December 1946. द चेयरमैन ऑफ द ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी वॉज डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर. द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली एडॉप्टेड the constitution on 26 November 1949. Now second exercise, fill in the blanks. The president of the constituent assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Remember this, the president of the constituent assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad and the chairman was the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Now next, the Indian constitution is a written and detailed constitution. India has an independent and powerful judiciary. Now short answer type questions. Write the names of any 3 members of the Indian Constituent Assembly. This answer is in page number 22. I am showing you. From here, the assembly had many important members such as Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Acharya Kripalani, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, etc. So this answer is in page number 22. Now next question is, what is meant by sovereign state? This answer is in page number 23. Here is the answer in sovereign state. India is an independent country. We are supreme in all matters concerning us. She is independent both internally and externally. She is, here she is means Bharat Mata. Now next question is, why is the Indian constitution called a detailed and written constitution? This answer is in page number 25. So you have to write down from here, written constitution. India has a written constitution. It was made by a constituent assembly. It is written and constructed constitution and detailed. So you have to write down from here, our constitution is a very comprehensive and vast as compared to the other constitutions. People of different caste, religion, speaking different languages reside here. They have their own culture. The constitution ensures to promote the feeling of unity is in diversity. So that is the reason our constitution is detailed and written constitution. No one can change this and everyone have to follow this. So this is our written and detailed constitution. Now next is, what is a parliamentary system? This answer is in page number 25. So here is the answer, parliamentary system. India has a parliamentary system. The actual powers of the government rest in the parliament. The council of ministers executes the power of the government and is answerable to the parliament. Now long answer type questions. Describe any 3 features of the Indian constitution. This answer is in page number 25. Here is so many features of Indian constitution. First, it is a written constitution. So you have to write down written constitution and India. From India to constitution, you have to write down this. Now second is rigid and flexible. You have to write down the second point, rigid and flexible. And write down the Indian constitution adopted the middle part. For practical purpose, the Indian constitution is not very rigid. For the amendment on some subject, only simple majority of the parliament is required, and for some subject, the amendment is rigid, because it needs the special majority of the members of the parliament, that is 2/3 majority of the members present and voting. So here is, this is the second features you have to write down, and here is the third feature, democratic republic. So write down this one. India is a democratic state because in a democratic state the rights of the government are vested in the public. Under such a system, the government is established by the people and for the people. So here you have to write down 3 features of our Indian constitution. First is written constitution, second is rigid and flexible, and third is democratic republic. Now next, write short notes. You have to write down the short note on secular state, federal state system, and fundamental rights and duties. So secular state, the answer is in page number 26. Federal system, this answer is in page number 25. I am showing you. The secular state is in answer number, this answer is in page number 26. Secular state, you have to write down from here secular state to here, different faiths, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. Now next, federal system, this answer is in page number 25. Here is the answer, federal feature of federal system. This answer you have to write down Indian constitution from federal system to federal feature to state level here. Now here is next question is fundamental rights and duties. So I will explain this in the next chapter, fundamental rights and